So I'm going to show you our apartment in Buenos Aires. It's named La Gallery.
Welcome to our apartment complex. We are currently in the lobby, which is working space. Let's go to explore automats. It's a working one, and gym. We are going to have winter here, so no more people. The second floor for taking a sun bath. Can tell you the view is amazing, but it's cozy here. This is our apartment complex as well. And let's go to explore the gym itself. Welcome to the gym.
The gym is a small one. I would say there is no enough space to do your workout if there is more than several people in the same time.
To go to the gym, you have to take the keys and left your name.
So we are going to leave the key.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Buenas.
And we will going to explore
Our apartment. Here we are. It's our almost studio apartment. We have one living room with kitchen. I even work here, as you can see. The sofa is decent even for a sleep. Also, we have a balcony, which is in the inner yard. Looks interesting and even nice, but at the same time, as you can see, neighbors are very close to us. We have 2 bathrooms.
I say that we have 1.5 bedroom.
Yeah, toilet
Guest toilet.
and master bedroom. We don't have a wardrobe or a lot of closets, but it's enough for short-term stay.
So how much we pay for the apartment? That's the question. Do you remember?
I guess it's $1,200.
No, it's $1,400. So
Oops,
it's
my bad.
almost $1,500 for a month, and in the city center of Buenos Aires, in the old city center.
Yes, we are in San Telmo, really close to La Boca.